Hello everyone. In this video, let me show you how to design services carousel or services slider. This is the same with the last video that I designed theme slider. I use the same plugin, this Ultimate Carousel for Elementor. This plugin, I'm using it. Same for here. This is the one. Yeah, this is the template. Yeah, but in this template, services is displaying service 1, service 2, service 3 in 3 sections. But yeah, we can put those all services inside one section like this, and yeah, turn into them slider using the this plugin. Yeah, process is the same with the theme slider. I'm just showing you the possibility. Yeah, in the theme slider, the difference is image corner radius. Here I put about 20 pixel corner radius, and other is the same. Let me show you here in the editor. Okay, let's delete this and add the, where is it? Here, advanced carousel like this, and here let's add the slider. This is the ones. First, let's just add this one, insert it. Let's call it service 1. Yeah, we can copy this description. Like this. You can select all, and you have to center, align the text center here like this. And as usual, as I have mentioned out in my previous video, here the text is quite close with the image, so you have to put some gap here like this. Put the cursor here and click Shift plus Enter like this, so you get the some gap like this. And now the button one, like book now, or see details, or see more something, and you have to add padding for the button, about 10 pixel at the top, 20 pixel at the right, 10 pixel at the bottom, 20 pixel at the left, something like this. Okay, and you can change the button background color, something or somewhat similar to the theme like this. Okay, now you can duplicate this, change the content. Let's call it service 2. You can change the content. And another one, yeah, this one. You have to be aware that we are using the image size full, so you have to make sure that when you upload the image, they are of the same size. Yeah, image dimension is here. This image dimensions are 500 by 540 pixels. You have to make sure. If they are not the same size, then you have to set same size here. You have to set some same size for them. Yeah. Or if you do not find the similar size here in the option, then you have to go to the media settings in the media settings here, and set the media size that you want here. Thumbnail size, keep the default, but you can say adjust the medium or large size here. In that case, you'll find the image size here. Yeah, this medium and the large one, these are the inherited from this media setting, so you can change these two image sizes, so according to your needs. Now, yeah, let's call it services 3. Yeah, we have to put some space here like this. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, you can change the images. Oh, sorry, let's add some border radius here to make the image look little better. About 25 to 30 pixels is okay. Yeah, 25 enough. Same goes for the others. About 25, about 25, like this. Okay, there is no much scope for designing the others like shadow, border or something, but yeah, this I have mentioned before in my previous video. Yeah, they do not have the styling options here. Only all about contents. Here is the setting, content setting. Here is the content in the style tab, but there is no styling settings. Navigation, you can put this navigation here, or you can remove it like this, and you can adjust the adjust these dot navigation to some color, to some art according to theme, like this green. Dot size you can increase about 50, something like this. Okay, it's done. Like this you can it saves space, and here you can remove this, like this. So if it is like this, then we can see when we can see all the services in the first loading screen, so we don't have to scroll down much to view the services. This is better. So to reduce the page length is good. I think it will improve user experience. People do not want to read more or to scroll down long pages. Shortening image pages, page length will improve user experience. So like this you can shorten the page length into by a section here, like this. I hope this video is helpful to you. This is some sort of continuation or addition to my previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, see it. It is in the playlist. I hope this video is helpful to you. I think it will be very helpful, especially for those beginners, because in every business website there is services section. There will be always a services section. So if you design a services section, means you need this slider to improve user experience. And Thanks for watching again, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. I will be uploading more and more videos about page builders, Elementor, Oxygen, Breezy, or others. And if you're not WordPress user, if you are user for other content management systems like Joomla, Drupal, or something, you can also leave a video request in the comment section, or you can email me. I will upload a video. I will make a video about that video request and upload it. Thanks for watching again.